Hey guys, today wanted to do a little video on how to load a refrigerator onto a trailer. I was really apprehensive about putting this refrigerator on this trailer, and I didn't load it. I had the people at the shop do it. I couldn't find very many descriptions of how to load it and keep it from tipping over. And I don't know if this is going to even hold up, but I've already driven about 3 or 4 miles from the shop to my home, and I still have another hour and a half to go to get this to the final destination. But I'll go ahead and show you what the guy did at the shop, the appliance shop, and these guys move these things all the time. So he just went down here with this strap on over the top, and it's real tight. And this is just a small utility trailer, U-Haul. Right over the top there, back down. He hooked it here, and again, that is real tight. Then a second strap right here. This is all the way to the front of the trailer, so the load's right there. Wraps around that last strap, and again back over to this side. I had 4 straps and he only utilized 2. So hopefully that will make it. I got an hour and a half trip to take that refrigerator to a house, and I didn't see any videos on YouTube about how to secure a refrigerator to a open trailer like this. I think a lot of people get scared about transporting them like this, and they end up laying them down, which you're not supposed to do. I know there's people that swear you can lay it down on its side according to where the oil tube is or whatnot that goes up into the freezer, and that will be okay. But I didn't want to ruin the refrigerator after just buying it, so I asked them to load it, and this is how they loaded it at an appliance store. And so I will comment later on how it went and whether I had any problems or not. I do plan to stop several times, or at least a couple times, to check the straps, but we'll see how it turns out. Talk to you later.